and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV, dish, and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate, and swimming to enhance mental (1) 524-5923 or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Mugasokane bw'omutinyi 12 omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 bwire bya mwancha omuri bwegetaseni kyagetembe ekionga chinsa isano na birasenchera yobwenye ritukeri murioka magega yo mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira moski mwomnyaribo kobyoka korwa ase ebunge ye senate inchekion inchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboke korwa somona bwe manyerio Mike Wis nero koneka buna chibichechiga nabo iga mariogi ngo ikirachira senchera ere yobwekrano ikaranso ike obenentu go ikamwera tokomanya maya nabo igo amaya korwa imenesko yorogongo rwagusi magega yo mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira amoski mwomnyaribo go tiago sekubyoka korwa ase bunge ye senate ase engana yo gwaka isko ya bisiaye umuroberio okorekanete asa magache bunge yo ritskoregoro nigo moskenyaribo akwane irenganeyo nakoboria abarayi batige gotume kwabo be ase atianire gochego kara emirimo yaye buya buno mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira.
Leo tarehe 3 tumekuwa Senate kusikiza kesi ambayo iliwasilishwa na County Assembly ya Nyamira ambayo imeendelea kutoka asubuhi mpaka saa hii. Lakini kwa uwezo ya Mwenyezi Mungu tumeweza kufaulu. Kufaulu hii sasa si yangu peke yangu, ni ya watu ya Nyamira wote. Nashukuru wale wamehusika na hii kesi kutoka mawakili, supporters and members of my cabinet. Kitu naweza sema ni kwamba kuanzia sasa watu waache mambo ya vitina, waache kuelekezwa na wengine. Kama iko kitu, wacha tushuruhishe huko nyumbani. Tusikizane, tuelewane, ndio tuweze kuendesha Nyamira mbele. Hiyo naweza sema kwa saa hii, ndio naweza sema. Opportunity to thank the Senate for upholding the rule of law and for uniting as one Kenya. Because in the Senate we have several parties. Tuko na United Opposition, it voted for us. Tuko na ODM, it voted for us. UDA, it voted for us, and others. Because you saw there were only 4 dissenting votes. So we encourage one Kenya, one people.
Gati ya basane bari bakumubwatesia omugavana Nyaribo nigo baorokirio mogokobo ase okubwa kwabo ase boigo omuske Nyambega Gisesa oyoro munyakiroko bwekiama kya UPA aorogeti omogokoye nagoteba neribia abantu babwatiri ichiko anemano aba MCA asa motogirio mugavana we county ya Kisii omuske Paul Simbarati asogotinina no Moske Nyaribo ase nkwana yaya muwakiri bonuke oyore kumuwakirisha na kumubwatesia Nyaribo nigo nere airaniribuya gochase bunge ya Senate na goteba ogwa kwa isiko kwa Nyaribo nigo kwarema minchaniri chiko asaba MCB county yu asaba MCB bunge ya Nyamira batabwatiri chiko na boyogo goikia ekerengo kibere iguru ya 3 ereba mwake isiko Moske Nyaribo.
Mimi naitwa Nyambega Gisesa, ni MC kutoka kule Nyamira County na national chairperson wa United Progressive Alliance. Hii shida ambayo tumeletewa na assembly, tumeletewa na wanasiasa, tunashukuru sana kwanza kumba gavana wetu amepita. Na kama gavana wetu amepita, hizi siku 2-3 ndio tumeona marafiki wa gavana ni akina nani. Mimi mwenyewe kwanza nishukuru wale wote watu wa Nyamira ambao tumeshirikiana nao. Pia nimshukuru gavana mwenzetu gavana Simbarati ambaye tumeshirikiana na yeye. Na ni muhimu sana kwa sisi watu wa Nyamira na watu wa Kisii tunataka peace ikue ndio maendeleo ifanyike. Alafu pia kwenda mbele tuambie assemblies kama mnafanya impeachment lazima mfuate sheria.
My name is Zelma Bonuke, part of the team that was representing His Excellency the Governor in this impeachment motion. We want to thank the Senate for upholding the rule of law and the tenets of constitutionalism. It was very clear, as we had indicated, that this motion of impeachment did not meet the threshold. And the threshold I'm talking about is the 2/3 threshold, which is provided for under Section 33 of the County Government Act. This issue of threshold and the element of removal of a governor from office, I will say it is sui generis. It is unique on its own, unlike any other motions that are passed at the county assembly, which in most cases will be 1/3 or majority of the 1/3 of the members in the county assembly. And this is a very good precedence that has been set. Much as the Senate didn't delve into the issues of proxy, we have highlighted, and you could feel that the element of proxy does not exist in the Kenyan laws. So we want to really thank the Senate, and we are very happy that they have agreed with us and they have upheld the integrity and supremacy of the Constitution.
Una inchira ya moyo gosira chisemi meye bunge ya West Mogrango ikaunti ya Nyamira ane munogochia saboroki wa Baribarichi University abaroki wa Beach College na boigo abaroki wa Beach Skuru chobo bundi na abaroki wa Beach Skuru chiche secondary nigo ebunge yu ya igorere amaborio asebalia barigeti gochia konyora chibasari echo kweni kiayano munyakirogo Beach basari imeye bunge ya West Mogrango aserieta Henry Kimori oyo oerabuna Kukwa mapema ni
abayibuli baito timotiga abana baito siko erinde baba sekoba abatabwati gisemi batabwati omanyi asenzi yaikire bono iga netagita abana bale babwate omanyi asensere bono igo epasari yengo konyera abana bito kugenda to another level basome banyora gisemi banyare go tukorere mirimo kurwese village yeito kugenda to the national government which is isiko kuba manya una a constituency nga tuabekire epasari yeito kigimahange asoko bonsi bari tayari anje batagete konyora epasari ase constituency ya West Mugirango na ekero ntobwate contacts tie sukuru chonspi na mbeyemo igekero mukubeka ekero mwana kubeka stamp ere yo bolimo no maligo tu atore contact na bari mu sukuru jiri to amanyanga kweli omwana yo no sukuru eri osteri ko sukuru eri na mba ibere ali stock and as chief centers abagambiri babo certify ali ntobwate omukaranyo ito ogwikaransaroro ntobwate getabu egero kunga accountable area unokolete elikwende yao form yao iwa akoye receive onye ligereria onye access na endo record ya segetabu so yatokonya ekero mwana ata apply ya form nekere form irakanga nerembe nabo to megura sibitago bietonga oyo na apply tekene go start bright igone to tebanga to base koleta form obisia onye ko runya maya wodi sikora le to obisia o make sure nga ya wire recorded into the counter book ine ero jiko tokonya ku assessinga abana ba braille mbalenga na ne balenga bale chini ni aso wa braille ali bo mochibo ali no to tonya ore form area iko to ko data nto gere fake na bali ba go data muri ore fake net report card ya uro ya rete fake nko check to na boto korora na boto ko reference to the school to aboling ekene umwana oyo ngaki performance ya yere na mbende ya kabere ndate
Togo genderera okumusana na usemusana n'intindi nigo yenegetuwe ase gikaro kya baremi kyogosieka omwaka ase factory ya Gyanchore ase gati ya baremi abo amo ose ase engusana neyo yarenge gati ya baremi be factory eyo nabo igo abateneniri go sabarai be factory eyo chingaki abaremi bari getiri tangani koramanyigo igoro yemete yabo eyo yaonetiwe nabo igo amaremo abo ayo abeirega koniwa ase nabo yokomanyigwa ase chibese cyo chia bete chikogenda ingani yeiga nigo yagirete bagasigikania ase gikagwitania ensa eyemo kurindo mohere obwirituko irigoro nigo botinirwe factory yo wikirete okoiwan na baremi abo buna chibesa cyabo cyonsi nigo kirachi konyoro kurende oboita na ase bari ababegete okoboko ase okogora oboremo nabo igo emete eyo
Oyo togendera tagotoreta ntekita kinale ngosa igaba ni mibami mbetla kwentera renga emosheta yo togendera tagotorabono igoma kenyo yo December tibese tibekera ni wororo egera tonyore tibese chitokonyera abana tanwa nege ntokende neke romuko ni kitabu mwa make sure mwabekira transparency ororo kirege ntokeri kunsekero ne kaniki agere nebese yumule
batorete gaiga mbabwate ukaraba getime yabo batari kulifira out ite yakicyo namba yemete baoneti nobolimo ango bali ko batatebi batu aoneti te yakicyo pika cyangwa kiba setinga naiga abali balenge gaigo balenge banganaiga na kiro molemi igakonyora ku center 1025 egero kumana kwa kona kintu giye kutumana ko
ndiri yogirinde mwarabo garia ndiri boga ngamba taitu kana tax KTD te kwa te kana ichibesa chiria muna chire 115 bamanya ngo restaurant 35 million chiko anda KRA chiko genda serikali igama lyogi ari ngara kabere lyogiri tangani bali bataite banyore chibesa chitari chiabo na lyogiri akabere ndiriboga nga waitu gwakane tax ne ikinenge ntwe serikali ogwakana serikali ne chibesa tiko monto lyo lenge mugondo 30 day ai kuchibesa icho but there is one character here okosumbua abantu okorokunga Senator Mikosi on a daily basis is online daily nga namarimo yabarimi yakubugati the same farmers nabo batwetere togora amarimo nari kama amaruba agatereni this parcels of land amarimo alia joint ari 1710 out of 1710 1000 turiko iko abalimi bachiro amba maite ari atigarite 710 aigor a very senior government officer akaenda akagita 200 na kwa estimate
Mancho Maria chikoraga chinsa 10 ntochiko koretera enkwana ya Jeremiah Migosi oyo ase engusana neyo obete kago kwana na boigo komochigwa unanere obeire kako senere obeire kagora oborai obobebu factory yo chinsa 10 ntochiko koretera enkwana ya na boigo okoiranire kwaye igoro yenganeyo asairane na gotebuna ikirenga kyaye no kurwanirira abaremi be factory yo banyore obone bwabo kyonga chinsa 52 no togo chiko kebekera umusumari gabo kurende chikoraga chinsa 10 ndirene togaretera yo amona yanda manga senchira yo bwengenche Catherine Nyabuga Vanessa Nyaboke kurasomo na boimanyerio na boigo Mike West nera kwanike buna chibichechiga na mario ngo ikirachira senchira eriyo bwekirano twarobore giborobya tumirane chinga kecho
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Kila nafsi